everybody, good morning. Dustin Troyan, Supercar Sunday. Just another day. Check it out. So David called, said he was going to bring something special, so I saved him a spot. And good grief, right? Absolutely beautiful. Another GT. But it happens to be Corvette day. And the Corvettes are coming in. So this is what Supercar Sunday looks like. Little past 7 in the morning. The event's presented and sponsored by Porsche One Hills. If you need a Porsche, that's where you go get it. So I'll show you what's fun. Look at the variety of cars pulling in right now, right? You've got the latest and greatest Corvettes here, GTs. Check it out.
They bought it in 57, I was born in 58. Lived there until I got married. 21.
How cool is that? Now, the thing at Supercar Sunday is I don't care who you are. I don't care how much money you have or don't have. I actually don't care what kind of car you drive. I don't care if you take the bus. Supercar Sunday is about being cool and respecting each other. For 25 years, we brought the community together. To me, the best part's the people. Cars are a close second, but to me, you look out here, everyone's having a great time. We've been doing this literally over 2 decades. And before there was any Instagram or Facebook or anything like that, Ollie texted me at like 5 in the morning, hey, I'm gonna come help you. Thank you, Ollie. So this is just what we do. And the cars, it's still early. This whole place is gonna be packed in a few minutes. This is Charles's car.
I've had it 2 years now. It's not perfect. It's had some paint touch up on it and things, but I love it.
So I'm gonna sign off for now. Talk to my friends before I get too busy.
Corvette or two here.
All right, signing off for now. I'm gonna talk to Bill. Bill's a big Corvette guy. With these, I don't even post about it because I know Bill's going to call people and get people to show up. Charles, and what do you have to say, Bill?
It's number one, it's a beautiful day. Get on out here as soon as possible, especially if you got a vet. But you know, it's just the eye candy up and down the road here.
Everybody, Dustin back here at Supercar Sunday. My good friend Gary Wales. We're checking out this. What is this, Gary? What car is it?
It's a Kaiser Darren.
Kaiser
Dutch Darren built it.
I don't know, but look at the door.
What do you think? It's like a 1951, 52?
51, 52, something like that. Early.
So it's all fiberglass. This is the second fiberglass car. Corvette was the first. The doors slide in.
It's amazing.
The top's removable. I don't know. I mean, I assume it folds back as well, but it is removable.
Yeah.
So
No.
I got a used Hyundai, so small car, but I'm gonna get her a new car
how old that is.
when she starts driving like this year.
Boy, her too much.
No, but I want to get a new car for
Right.
safety, like with all the airbags and driver.
Check out that little air cleaner. Isn't it cool?
Sensors.
Unbelievable car.
It's like a size of a Toyota. SUV.
Hey guys, watch behind you.
Something safe, strong, reliable.
Oh, he said he's only got this.
She's probably going to make it up, but if he does,
Hi, Fred.
but I'm going to hire this.
Incredible car.
I mean, everywhere it goes. All during summer, every day. 8 hours a day for 3 months. You gotta learn how to drive.
Supercar Sunday
I
brought to you by
want her to be a
Porsche
race
Hills.
car driver. I want her to